If you want to add a clean border to an image in LibreOffice Draw, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to create a border around any image, whether you're working on a flyer, a presentation, a poster, or just a design file in Draw. This is a super handy skill because a border can help your image stand out, look more polished, and match the style of your project. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Let's start by opening LibreOffice. Once LibreOffice is open, look over to the left side under Create and click Draw Drawing. If you already have a draw file open, you can simply use that instead. The important thing is that you're inside LibreOffice Draw, because that's where you can format the image and apply the border. Next, insert your image if it isn't already on the page. You can do that by dragging it in or by using the insert options depending on how your file is set up. If the image is already there, just click on it once so it becomes selected. You should see handles around the image when it is active. That selection is important because the border settings will apply to the object you have selected. Now go to the top toolbar and look for the line color option. This controls the outline color around your selected image. Click it and choose the color you want for your border. If you want a professional look, black, dark, gray, or a color that matches your design usually works very well. If you want something more creative, you can choose a bright color to make the image pop. After that, you need to set the line width. This determines how thick the border will be. If the width is too thin, the border may not be very visible, especially if your image has a light background. So increase the line width until the border looks clear and balanced. A slightly thicker line often gives the best result for most designs. As soon as you adjust the line color and line width, you should see a border appear around the selected image. If it doesn't look right at first, don't worry. You can always click the image again and fine-tune the color or thickness until it matches exactly what you want. That flexibility is one of the best parts of using LibreOffice Draw. And that's basically it. You've now added a border to an image in LibreOffice Draw in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to improve the visual style of your documents and make important images stand out more clearly. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, productivity tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.